Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, I'm stuck here in the Houston airport, so I thought I better get this out while I can before I have to board a plane and head back to sunny Florida. I heard you guys had a lot of water this week, so we'll do that. So let me real quickly catch up. We have a bunch of things on the calendar to finish out, and I'm just going to go about halfway through December, and I'll catch that up next week during the holiday period. But tonight, let me tell you that we have the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee coming up on Saturday. Saturday, December the 2nd, is the Sebring Historics HSR race at Sebring. So we probably have right now about 45 folks signed up. You can still get your tickets. Get out there, get your tickets online. As soon as probably by next weekend, I'll do the touring guides for folks coming in from all over the state for the Sebring events. Always a bunch of fun. As a matter of fact, when I get home tonight, this is Thursday, I'll be heading to North Carolina to pick up the Jeep and the trailer. So we have all of our gear at the Sebring event. So look forward to that. And that Sebring thing is a lot of fun. So look forward to seeing you there. A ton of regulars come out for that. So I've already seen your names come through. So looking forward to that. December the 2nd also, we have Cars and Coffee at BMW Sarasota. Those folks that don't come out to Sebring, you've got a place to go in Sarasota on Saturday, December the 2nd. December the 5th, Jeff's group over at the OCC on December the 5th, St. Pete, Clearwater area. So that should be a lot of fun. Always is a lot of fun. I got to put that on my calendar to get back up there pretty soon. Love seeing everybody there. And then December the 9th is the Lakeland Cars and Coffee. That is at the Fields Lakeland thing. That's Kyle's event there, so looking forward to that. And then also on December 9th, we have the joint drive, the holiday drive to Corky Bells. That's going to be a combination of Jacksonville, Ocala, Gainesville, and The Villages getting together to do a drive out to Corky Bell. So you see that, it's December the 9th, it's on the calendar there. Take a look at that, it'll be a lot of fun. Al's put that together, Meribeth put that together, and we're bringing the East Coast to the West Coast together for a lot of fun. December the 10th, we're back in Naples Cars and Coffee down at Germian BMW in their southern facility, so look forward to that. Had a great event this past weekend, saw a lot of our folks there, a lot of our mountain drive folks are there this past Sunday, so glad to see them out. And December the 10th also, we have the Gainesville Cars and Coffee. And then December the 12th, we have a holiday get-together up in the Panhandle area, and I think there might be a little something going on there, so Chris has some surprises. Hey, two events that are coming up on the calendar we'll tell you about. Obviously the Sebring event, but we're also putting together the Bimmer Invasion for February. We had our meeting this past week and putting that piece together, so watch for information coming up on Bimmer Invasion in Ocala I think it's early, mid-February. We'll have the dates up and posted once we get some of the information finalized. We're going through some of that work now, and Kevin Tipton's on that group that's helping us get that thing planned. So a lot of things going on. The holiday season is here. It's the season for Thanksgiving, and certainly thankful for all the friends that we have through this BMW Car Club. Certainly appreciate your support this past year, and it's just an amazing turnout. We are one of the growing chapters for the South Atlantic District, so just wanted to call that out and just say thank you. Welcome to all of our new members. We certainly appreciate you, but don't sit on the sofa. Come on out and have fun with us, enjoy it, and we'll see you soon then. Happy motoring, happy flying. See you soon. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye now.